Well, for those of us that have worked in workshops and forges and out in with chainsaws and everything for years, hearing protection was a cotton ball, and maybe if you got snazzy, something a little bit like this. But we live in a fascinating modern age, and I'm going to show you something that put out by PROHEAR that it just changes the game. So there we go. Here is the PROHEAR EM037 BT hearing protector. Okay, been using this now for a couple days and I love it. It's absolutely awesome. And we're going to take it out of the box here. Alright, here they are. Came in this wonderful, neat little satchel. Yeah, beautiful, man. Alright, and here is the unit. There are the controls. Real comfortable to put on. Adjust back, forward, up, down. There's your little controls and everything. And some of the other things that come in the box include a nice set of instructions, your service card, some cables, nice box, okay. But what I really want to tell you though is about some of the features this thing has. It's just awesome. It really has worked big time. Beautiful. Alright, like I said, this is the PROHEAR EM037 BT hearing protector. Alright, you can read right here the features. BT wireless technology, make and receive calls, enjoy seamlessly stream music from your mobile phones, your tablets, and other devices. Stereo sound it provides excellent sound quality and hands-free tuning dial. Operate your BT enabled device from your headset and eliminating cords. Really, it is just that simple. Pairing it was great. All right, there's some more information about it. There's the colors that it came in, or you can get it in, I should say. Some more specs. There you go. It said answer the phone, just listen to music, soundproof. It's just awesome. Got a 30 SNR, single number rating. You will love this. It's comfortable to wear. I have found it to be truly amazing. I'm glad that they reached out and sent me these things because, like I said, for a really long time, let's put our box out of the way. This was the standard. This is what I use. The little earplugs that you're more apt to find on a gun range or something. I mean, they work great. They did a good job. And further back in time, cotton balls, which, I used to still use them from now and again, But this is awesome. I think you will absolutely love these. I cannot give them any higher marks, and real easy to pair. It's got a great instruction set right here in this little manual, and just follow it step by step. The controls are real easy to remember. In no time you'll be able to, just reach up and do what you got to do and stuff like that. But it's got a volume button, power button, voice asset, charging ports, LED indicator, the volume button, and audio jack. So, but anyway, PROHEAR. This is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much for sending this. I think you'll find this will work really good in your shop or any of the applications that you got, and and I think we all work in those noisy environments from now and again, and those of us more so than others, I guess. But you'll love it, and in the description there'll be a product link and a discount code and everything else. So, PROHEAR, thank you so much. You did a heck of a job. I love it. Awesome. Take care, everybody.